In this video, we are going to check out how to use and access Google's Tour Creator. Tour Creator is a really cool program where students can create their own virtual tours that they can access in virtual reality or using the 360 view on their devices. So when you click on the Getting Started and then Templates, you can access tours that are already made that you can edit and add to based on their templates. And so as we scroll through, you can see all of these that are already made that you can change and choose one based on your interest in that topic or that place. We are going to click on Machu Picchu, and it brings up the editing options for this tour. And so we can change any part about this tour. Now this tour is a draft in our account with the Tour Creator. And so we can change the names of the different scenes, and you can change the different points of interest. That is what we're clicking on over here on the right. You can edit the description to be more in line with your areas of interest, or you can change it to fit maybe more with your style. You can set the starting view for the different scenes. So maybe if you want it to start from a different point of view, you can adjust it and then save it. So we're going to change the starting view here. We'd like it to be more facing out over the valley, and save it. You can click through the scenes to see what they look like and see what the points of interest are. And this next scene is a good example of showing that people often appear in Google Street View. So you may want to set a different starting view or choose pictures that have less people because they will pop up in those Google Street View pictures a lot. So you may want to check that out. So you can also add a scene in the bottom right and type in where you want to find a picture, and it will bring up different street view examples. There's a little yellow person that you can drag around on the map and bring up pictures. And then when you find one that you like, click Add Scene, and it will bring it up in your tour. You can add that information on the right side, add points of interest, and then you can drag that little point of interest icon around and put it where you want. And then students may or may not have experienced a Google expedition in class. That is normally how these tours are viewed inside a Google Cardboard viewer. You can use Google Cardboard or a VR viewer to view these tours, or just in 360 view on any device. So we are going to create a new tour here to Disneyland. You'll need to add a cover photo that you'll have saved to your device before, and then add that here. Then it will bring up this Add Scene. Again, you can search for where you want to make one. This is also a good example. These Street View pictures are usually submitted by community members, people with 360 cameras, and some of them will have blurry faces, or the people will be cut off because of how they took their 360 images. So we're going to pick this one at the entrance of Tomorrowland, and we're going to drag it around so that we see the Tomorrowland entrance right at the beginning, and add in our information on the right. And so you would just do this step by step as you're going through, and put in all the information that you would choose. So this is what your students could do for any tour. Some popular ones to create are tours based on places in books, places in video games, or places that they visited on a family vacation, or places that they really want to visit and have researched. So you can go through again and search all of these different locations and zoom in, and you'll see there's that little yellow person in the map, and you do need to drag him around to find the different pictures. Wherever he is on the map is where the picture will show. And then add that scene, and then the picture appears in your tour, and you can add more information and continue to add scenes as you go. So we're going to set that starting view. And so these virtual tours can be viewed in a VR headset, or they can be viewed in that 360 view on any device. And so they'll live here in your tour gallery, or you can publish them, so you can share that link out to the public, or keep it unlisted so you just have the link for yourself and the people that you share it with.